Hello everybody, my name is Seth with Country Clipper, and today we'll be learning how to raise the deck on a 60-inch Boss XL. Make sure to read the product manual before beginning. Position the mower on a level, hard surface with the front wheel casters away from the machine and the key taken out. Lock the deck into the transport position. Remove the cut height pin. Push the foot pedal forward, release the transport latch, and lower the deck to the ground. Push the foot pedal towards the rear of the machine and reinsert the cut height pin in the cut height selector plate so that the foot pedal is locked down. When done properly, the rear deck hooks will be released from the deck hangers. Optionally, use a 1/2-inch breaker bar in the cut height foot pedal to reduce the effort required. Flip up the front step. Locate the deck belt tension lever behind the rear left tire and release the belt tension by slowly rotating the lever to remove the spring tension. Remove the foot plate and set it aside. Remove the belt from the top pulley on the center spindle assembly and hook the belt onto the bolt. Use the deck lift handle located on the center of the deck to raise the deck into the lock position and then set the park brake. Now you're ready to service the underside of the mower deck. When maintenance is complete, you can now lower the deck. Use the center deck lift handle and your foot to push back on the mower deck. Push the foot pedal towards the rear of the machine and remove the cut height pin. Place transport latch in the lock position and raise the deck up to the transport position. Make sure both rear deck hangers reconnect to the deck hanger clevis pins. Reinstall the deck belt by unhooking the belt from the bolt and reinstalling it on the center spindle pulley. Now reinstall the foot plate. We will reapply the tension on the belt using the tension lever. Insert the pin to the desired cut height and lower the deck.